and welcome to my channel. I'm here with the lovely Hazel today. We've been friends for like 5 years?
I think so.
Yeah, my god. And we are going to the Layered Cafe here near Anguk Station. We were gonna go to Nade with a donut place. Everything was sold out. This looked cute, so yeah, we're going in. This is Earl Grey cake.
Which cake do you want to get?
Should we get 2 things?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah. Okay, so first thing we have is an Earl Grey Pink Lady cake. And I'll try that one first. Okay, not that.
How was it?
It really tastes like tea.
Really?
Yes, I had like tea cakes before. Didn't taste like tea. It tastes like tea. It's light, airy, fluffy, moist. I know people hate that word, but it's really nice. Yes.
I'm excited.
Yes. Then we have the red velvet cupcake. I should open that. And you should definitely try the tea first.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Okay, just got some stuff on my hands. Okay, the red velvet cake.
How was it?
It's really good. I love this place. It's expensive, but it's really good. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna film you. You need to try this. I'm curious how you will respond.
I have my coffee with me. Yeah.
Oh, and I just got a regular Earl Grey tea.
So we have 2 Earl Greys. Okay.
There we go.
Gonna take it from the top. That's a big chunk. You're right. Oh, that's great. Wow.
It's amazing, right?
You're right. Like when you get a tea kind of cake, you don't really feel the tea. So you can definitely feel it, just the punch right there. Wow.
Okay, cupcake.
Cupcake. Okay.
First that coffee.
Cake and coffee. Cupcake. Right there. Into my mouth. I love this place.
We did so well.
I was a bit sad that we couldn't go to the first place, but the cake is so good. Bravo.
Okay, so inside the red velvet,
I think it's custard.
if I look at it, it looks like white chocolate, but something just came out. It sounds so creepy. Something came out. What is it?
I think it's white chocolate.
Ooh, I was correct. And it's filming again. So we just had the best desserts ever. Yes. It was amazing. It tastes like pure heaven.
Oh, I will go there again.
Yes, now we're just going to Starbucks to kill some more time. Well, not kill time, but we want to spend more time together and we don't want to be outside.
Yes.
So that is it for this Cafe Seoul guide tour video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. That's it. Bye-bye. Bye.